Today, another group of treasure hunters showed up at the entrance again. They didn't run from the alarm as I had hoped. Even when I revealed my identity, they weren't scared. Luckily, another group showed up and gave me an excuse to stop killing them. I hoped they wouldn't come back, but they entered the catacombs after stealing my key. I fought one of them named Theobald, but I just couldn't get myself to kill him. He reminded me too much of my old friend. He protected his friend with his life just like my friend would protect me when I joined the server. I made Theobald put all of his items in a chest and brought him up. I'm still not sure if it was the right thing to do. I used to tell myself that I'm only pretending to be a monster to scare people away, but recently I've started to believe that maybe I really am a monster. I wish that one day someone might read this book and realize that I don't want to be one.
You never actually wanted to kill anyone? You were just doing it to protect other people. You didn't kill Theo either? Each one of these is a singular person. Marlo, where are you going? If someone takes something from the tomb, they all die. I'm sorry.
Parrot, this has gotta be like... I don't want to do this anymore, bro. So did you find the tomb or what? Like, what even happened?
Yeah, I did find it.
Dude, I cannot believe I missed this treasure too. That's so messed up. Like, okay, so how much of it did you bring? How much of it did you get? Like, do you have shulkers on you? Like...
No, I didn't take anything.
What? What, tens of millions of items and you took nothing? What are you talking about? Hello?
Dude. I was wrong about her.
About Marlo?
Yeah. And I've been wrong about everybody else. And, like, I know you get annoyed at me a lot for some of the stuff I do, which, like, you have every right to get annoyed. But, I just wanted to say, I'm sorry for, like, putting you through all this.
Hey, I mean, I forgive you, man. So, what are we gonna do now? We're just broke again, right?
I don't know yet. I can pretty confidently say that I'm done hunting treasure, though.
What? I thought you like wanted to save the server. How are we gonna do anything without like stuff?
To be honest, I don't even know anymore. Like, I don't even know what I want to do. But when I figure that out, will you come with me?
Yeah, I mean, dude, of course. You're my best friend, right? Plus, dude, if I didn't come with you, you'd be dead within a day.
Okay, dude. All right, bro. All right, we're saying anything.
Tell me I'm wrong.
nowadays.
Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me
I'm the
wrong.
biggest bird, bro.
Bro, you are not the biggest bird. That is just objectively false, bro. I'm like, honestly, this machine would fly a lot faster if I wasn't here. I'm just that heavy.